Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, the differences between neuroblastoma and Wilms tumor. Before that, most commons. Okay, most commons. So, if you see, neuroblastoma is the most common extracranial solid tumors in childhood. Neuroblastoma is the most common extracranial solid tumor in childhood. Neuroblastoma is the second most common solid malignancy in childhood after brain tumors. So, the first most common solid malignancy in children is brain tumor. After brain tumor, second most common solid malignancy of childhood is neuroblastoma. Then, most common intra-abdominal solid tumor in childhood is neuroblastoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.